Alright guys, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio, and many of you have been complaining that the Supercell ID has been logged out from the Clash of Clans games and you can't log into your account. So if your account has been automatically logged out and whenever you're trying to log into your Supercell ID, the verification code is actually not coming or you're getting different error. Whatever the problem is, I'll go ahead and show you how you can fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so if you logged out your account and can't log into your Supercell ID, first thing first, you don't need to worry about it because your account has not been hacked or it's not have any problem. Actually, there is an ongoing server issue on the game itself and the team is actually working on that to fix the problem. So don't worry, you will not lose any game data or the account itself. So you just need to wait some time. It can be 24 hours or more than that and the problem will be automatically fixed. So you just need to be patient and wait some time and later on try log into your account again and most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find it very helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around and thank you very much for watching.